Good morning to all of you. In the last video, what we have seen, we have started a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Basic Geometric Ideas. Exercise 14.1, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 we have done. For today's video, we will continue for the question number 5th, A part. Question number 5th, A part. In a question number 5th, draw a rough figures and label suitable in each of the following cases. Now it's the turn that you have to do a drawing. Just take out your pencil, rubber, eraser, ruler and do proper diagram. Draw proper diagram. So, in A point, it's written that point P lies on AB. Point P lies on AB. AB पर ये आपकी रही AB और उस पे point P आएगा. उस पे point P आएगा. ये आ गया आपका point P. A line AB containing point P. Second part, B part, XY and PQ intersect at M. जो XY है, this is X, this is Y, intersecting at M with PQ. This is line XY, this is line PQ intersecting with M. This is intersection. When just line crossing to each other, it's called intersection. C part. Line L containing E and F but not D. A line that containing, this is the line L that containing E and F but not D. So D is outside that line. Containing means the points that is on that line. जो point उस lines पे आता है, हम सिर्फ उसे ही consider करते हैं. This is not on that line. D part. OP and OQ meets at O. OP, that is, this is O, this is P, and OQ, this is O, this is Q. So this line common to O. They have said that OP and OQ meet at O. OP and OQ meet at O. ये दोनों line is just intersecting at O. So line OP and OQ meets at O. This is question number 5th. Draw properly with proper explanation and with proper figures. In question number 6, it is true or false. Question number 6, true or false. True or false, that you have to do by yourself, understand properly and just give the answers properly. So I'm moving for the second exercise, that is 4.2. 4.2 exercise, question number 1st. 4.2 question number 1st, classify the following figures, open or curve. The figure which are just from the first point to last point, they are not touched, they are called open figure. When the figure from the first point, this is the first point and this is the again last point. So when they are connected, either this one, the first point is this and it is connected with again that point, then it is called the closed figure. And if it is like that, this is called open figure, when the first and the last point is not connected. So question number 1st is asked about that, which are the open figure and which are the closed figure. So A, that is Z, this is open curve. Second is something like drawn like this one, but it is closed curve. Third one is like that, but it's not connected. First point and last point is not connected, so it is called open curve. D option, it's a triangle, that is called closed curve. Why so? Because the first point and the last point is connected from the single point. E option, that is like this, so this is again closed curve. On a second question, draw a rough diagram of illustrate the following. open curve and closed curve. Now you have to draw by yourself that which are the open curve and which are the closed curve. You know how to draw the open curve. The points from first and ending point are not connected. Like this one is open, this one is open, this one is open, this one is open, because the first point and the last point is not connected. But what about the closed curve? Closed curve. Like I can say this one is a closed curve, 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 because from the first point to the last point it's connected by a single point. That's why it's called a closed curve. Question number 3 is saying like that. Question number 3, it's saying draw any polygon and shade an interior. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. So this I have just made the polygon and I have just named that A, B, C, D, E, F, and I am shading from the inside. Now I am shading from the inside. So this is inside. Inside means the games which are playing inside the house is called indoor. The games which are playing outside the home is called outdoor. So same as it is, when the जब figure के अंदर आएगा तो inside, जब figure के बाहर आएगा तो outside. Interior, exterior. So the question has said that draw a polygon. Polygon means which is having the sides. The figure which is having the sides is called polygon, and shade its interior. So we have the shaded interior. 4th question. Consider the figure. Consider the given figure. Consider the figure and answer the following. Is it a curve or is it a close? This one is like so this is the figure. Is this is a closed figure or is this is a curve? It's not a curve because curve are just like in a curvy. It is not having any sides. So it's not a curve, not it is closed. This is not closed figure because it is not connected from the single point. So it is not a curve, not a closed figure. Question number 5th. Illustrate if possible each of the following figure with a rough diagram. A closed figure, a closed curve that is not a polygon. That is not a polygon. मतलब वो closed होना चाहिए but वो polygon नहीं होना चाहिए. So this is because for the polygon it is have to made by with the sides. B option. An open curve made by entirely with the line segment. An open curve that is entirely made the weight of line segment. So this is the line segment. 3rd, a polygon with 2 sides. A polygon with 2 sides. It's not possible because a polygon is only and only just starting from the triangle. Polygon, our smallest polygon in this world is a triangle because it started from the 3 sides. 2-side polygon is not possible. So it's not possible for the 2-side polygon. So this is all about the second exercise. Do properly in your copy and practice because periodic tests are coming. So for the next video, we'll continue for the 3rd exercise. Till then, have a great day.